Fluent Flow Podcast, Episode 64, My Routine in English. Hello, everyone. My name is Sara. Welcome to the Fluent Flow Podcast, the podcast that helps you learn English in a simple, calm, and friendly way.
And I'm Jack. We are happy you're here. Today's episode is episode 64, and the topic is My Routine in English. We will talk about our daily routines using easy vocabulary and slow English, so you can understand everything.
Yes, you can listen, repeat, and learn how to talk about your routine too. So, relax and enjoy this episode. Let me start by telling you about my morning routine. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. When I wake up, I feel a little sleepy, but I like to start my day slowly. First, I sit on my bed, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. Then, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. After that, I make my morning drink. Sometimes I drink hot tea, sometimes coffee, and sometimes just warm water with lemon. While I drink my tea, I like to sit by the window and look outside. It helps me feel calm. Around 7 a.m., I make breakfast. My favorite breakfast is something simple: toast with butter, a piece of fruit, and yogurt. Sometimes I eat eggs, but not every day. While I eat breakfast, I listen to soft music or an English podcast. Listening every morning helps me keep English in my routine. At 7:30, I go to my desk and start my work. I check emails, plan my day, and write my to-do list.
Your morning sounds so peaceful, Sarah. I like that you start your day slowly. Many English learners can try that too. Now, let me tell you about my morning routine. I usually wake up a little later than Sarah. I wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is drink a big glass of water. It helps me wake up. Then I go for a short walk outside. I walk for 10 or 15 minutes. I like feeling the morning air. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to nothing, just walking. When I come back home, I take a shower. After the shower, I make breakfast. My breakfast is very simple too. Usually eggs, oatmeal, or a banana. At 8 a.m., I sit at my computer and start working. I check messages, plan projects, and sometimes study a little bit of Spanish or Thai, just for fun.
I love that you walk in the morning. That sounds very healthy.
Yes, walking helps me think clearly. And for English learners, walking while listening to English is a great tip.
Around 12, it's time for lunch for me. I usually eat something simple like rice, vegetables, and chicken. After lunch, I like to drink a small coffee and rest for 10 minutes. Then I go back to my work. In the afternoon, I answer messages, have meetings, or record content for the podcast.
My lunchtime is at 12:30. If the weather is good, I eat outside or take my food to a park. I usually eat a sandwich, some fruit, and water. After lunch, I come home and work again until around 4 p.m. At that time, I take a small break. I stretch, drink cold water, and sometimes listen to one English song. Music helps me relax.
In the evening, I like to slow down again. At 6 p.m., I stop working. I clean my desk and organize my space a little. Then I prepare dinner. My dinner is light. Sometimes soup, sometimes salad, sometimes pasta. While I cook, I often listen to English videos or simple movies. I don't watch with full attention. I just listen in the background. After dinner, I take a warm shower. It helps me relax. Then, I read a little. I like reading books about routines, happiness, or simple living. Around 10 p.m., I go to bed. Before sleeping, I think about my day and say thank you for something good that happened. Then I sleep.
My evening routine is a little different. I finish work at 6:30 p.m. After that, I exercise a little, maybe 15 minutes of stretching or a short run. For dinner, I like eating something warm. My favorite dinner is rice with vegetables and tofu. After dinner, I watch something easy to understand, maybe a cooking show or a travel video. At 10:30 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and read for 10 minutes. Then I sleep. Around 11 p.m.
Now let's share some easy tips for people who want to talk about their routine in English. Tip 1. Use simple verbs. Wake up. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Watch TV. Sleep.
Tip 2. Use time expressions. In the morning, in the afternoon, at night, at 7 a.m., every day.
Tip 3. Keep sentences short. I wake up at 6:30. I drink coffee. I go to work. Easy and clear.
Tip 4. Practice out loud. Speak the sentences even if you are alone. Repeat them every day.
Tip 5. Listen to English daily. Even 10 minutes helps. Now it's your turn. Think about your routine. What time do you wake up? What do you eat? What do you do in the evening?
You can even write your routine in the comments or repeat it while listening to this episode. We're happy to help you practice English every day.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 64 of the Fluent Flow Podcast.
We hope this episode helped you learn how to talk about your routine in clear and simple English.
Remember to listen slowly, repeat the words you learn, and enjoy the process.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for learning English with us. Bye.